Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card, I'm going to use the Watercolor Melon from the Sale-a-bration. If you don't have a catalog, let me know and I'll send you one out. You can get this stamp set free with the $50 purchase. Now, I was going to copy and share everything, this card from the catalog, but decided, no, you've seen my past 3 videos and I cased all of those, so let's be a little bit more creative. Instead, I'm going to use these watermelons as pizza. Sit back, relax, see how I create these pizzas. As always, all the supplies I've used are in the description box below. Sit back and enjoy the music. Let's make a card. All right, what do you think of my watermelon turned into pizza? I know nobody bites on the side, but you never know. It's cute. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.